In today's video, we will be comparing two popular hair clippers, the Wahl Deluxe Corded Chrome Pro and the TPOB Play Barber Clipper. We'll look at their features, performance, and overall value to help you decide which one is the best fit for your grooming needs. When it comes to pricing, the Wahl Deluxe Corded Chrome Pro is priced at just $54, making it an affordable option for those looking for a reliable hair cutting kit. On the other hand, the TPOB Play Barber Clipper comes with a premium price tag of $199. While it offers advanced features, the price difference is significant and may influence your decision based on your budget. In terms of performance, the Wahl Deluxe Clipper features a standard motor suitable for home use, providing reliable cuts for various hair types. In contrast, the TPOB Play Barber Clipper boasts a powerful 7,500 RPM motor, designed for professional-grade performance, ensuring smooth and efficient cutting even through thick hair. This makes it a great choice for barbers or those who frequently style hair. The Wahl Deluxe Chrome Pro comes with a complete kit that includes a corded clipper, a cordless battery trimmer, and styling shears, providing everything you need for a professional haircut at home. On the other hand, the TPOB Play Barber Clipper includes a basic set with the clipper and rubber grips but lacks additional accessories. This could be a deciding factor for those who prefer a comprehensive grooming kit. In conclusion, both the Wahl Deluxe Corded Chrome Pro and the TPOB Play Barber Clipper have their strengths and weaknesses. The Wahl offers great value for its price with a complete kit, while the TPOB provides high performance for those willing to invest more. Make sure to consider your grooming needs and budget before making a choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.